As you can see, this car, this blue BMW, yeah, it's on jack stands at the minute because the steering rack has decided to spring a leak. So whilst I am waiting to get that sorted out, I'm going to see if I can diagnose this problem. We've got a problem where on IMPA, what it seems to be is that the camshaft adjustment is stuck. So let me show you. Here we go. All I'm going to do is literally just reset for display fault memory, and then I'm going to delete fault memory. Here we go. These camshaft control, extremely annoying. Go back into IMPA. Ignition, yes, it's on. I'm going to E60. I want the engine N62. Yeah, that's fine. We're going to read now, and we're going to read the adaptation values. See how they're normal now. This is generally how they should be. So hopefully fingers crossed, if I start the engine, they will remain roughly in that area. No. Adaptation bank, they're completely out. Right, so I've just been looking on the forums, on this X-Post forum for an X5. This guy, he's having the same issue as me, and looking at his photo here, he says basically he's got the wrong part. So he had this part, but with the plug similar to this one. I've got the same. It's got a cable that comes around and obviously plugs in to the harness on this side. So here we see the eccentric shaft sensor at the top. So the eccentric shaft sensor is always at the top. Then we have this one, which doesn't have a plug on the camshaft sensor. It has the cable, and then that plugs in to the harness. And then we have this one with the camshaft sensor at the bottom, and this one has the plug type with the cable that comes and is joined to the harness here, and that's at the bottom. So the sensor with the wire that plugs into the harness is the intake cam, and the output or the exhaust cam is connected with the plug here. Right, you probably can't see that very well, but I've swapped them over. And everything is perfect. They're both in the green, everything's great. That's perfect. Smashing. Fixed it. Oh, whoop!